Hi, third grade. It's Monday morning, and I'm looking at last Friday's assignment. And I did have a couple of questions about it. With estimating, it's always a question. Just follow the directions carefully. All right, I want to go over it for you here. Look at this right here. This is from Friday. Round to the nearest 10. And you can use this when you're studying for your test, because just want to let you know, on Wednesday, we are going to have the Chapter 11 test. It's going to be shorter. It's only going to be 20 questions and probably 3 bonus questions. I want to get to fractions, and I want to start fractions on Thursday. So you will be having your chapter test on Wednesday. So I'm going to give you a little idea of how this is going to go. So this is Fridays. I want to go over it. When you're rounding to the nearest 10, you look at the tens place because that's where you're rounding it to. You go over one place to the right and you see what number that is. This is number 1. So if it's number 1, it is lower than 5, right? 5 or lower, you're going to round down to 50. 50 is less than 51, so rounding down. If we were rounding up, it would be 60 is the next 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But in this case, you're rounding down because that's a 1. In this case, number 2, you have 29, rounding to the nearest 10. You look at the tens, go to the next place, you see a 9. It's greater than 5. So we're going to round up. Instead of the 20s, we're going to 30, okay? That's how this works. And so that's how you do it. Now look at the numbers down here, which are dollars. Don't let them get you too nervous, okay? We're rounding to the nearest dollar. Now, what's the dollars place? These are the cents, right? 1 cent, 10 cents. This is the dollar before the decimal point. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, look at the dollars, okay? And we're then going to go to the right and we see 6. So this over here is 60 cents, okay? So 6 is greater than 5. So instead of rounding to $4, we're going to round up to $5. It's very easy when the answer is staring at you too. But that's the procedure always. You look at the place you're rounding to. Go to the place to the right, just one place to the right. And then you're going to find that if that is 5 or less, then you're going to go down, okay? If it's greater than 5, so if it's 6, you're going to go up. All right, look at this one, $2.30. We're rounding to the dollar, so there's the place we're rounding to. We look to the right, it's a 3. 3 is less than 5, so we're rounding down to $2, okay? So that's how this is done. It's a little bit of a review. You can use it for your review lesson. Today we're doing lesson 11.7. This is Friday's lesson. We're going to do 11.7, which is right here. 11.7 today. And tomorrow we're going to skip all the way over to page 380. We are not doing 11.8. We're going to skip that lesson. Now, if you want to do it on your own with your parents, that's fine. But I'm not going to be having that many problems on the test. We're going to have 20 problems. A couple of them will be word problems. It's going to be division, 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 and probably 3 bonus questions, maybe 4. So it's going to be a 20 question. That's the shortest test you've ever had this year. And then 4, because I would like to start on Thursday with our fractions, which is chapter 12. So this is now the thing is, students, we have done division all year long, and you know that I've accelerated your division. I have helped you to get to dividing very large numbers with remainders. All right. Remember Big Bertha, and we did, Mammoth Maddie, and we did Long Larry. We did all of those, and then we did the monster. It's the same thing. Okay. This is what division is. You can divide as many numbers as long as you do multiply, divide, subtract, bring down, repeat, remainder. Okay. So this is what's going to happen. Monday, lesson 11.7. Okay, Tuesday, you're going to go to check your progress. Wednesday, there's going to be a test. All right, so if you have any questions, just email me your questions and I'll try to answer them. Go over all the little videos that I made. They go over different things as we've gone along. Okay? And that's my little video for today. Bye-bye.